Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Canva Video Resize for social formats step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the Canva homepage. Look for the login button located at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Type in your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for recovery options. After filling in your credentials, click the Login button. Once logged in, you will be taken to the Canva dashboard. In the search bar, type Video Resize. Press Enter to see the available options. Select the Video Resize option that fits your needs. You will now be in the Video Resize section. Here, you can upload your video or select one from your existing projects. Upload your desired video by clicking on the Upload button. Adjust the dimensions according to the social format you need. Use the various tools provided to enhance your video. Once satisfied, click the Download button to save your resized video. Choose your preferred file format and quality. Finally, click on the Download option to complete the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.